On February 8, 1986, via train 4 was traveling from Jasper to Edmonton. The train numbers are 6,566, 6,633, and 6,300.
Okay, I must leave the station.
On board the train were 94 passengers and 14 stewards. Further up the line, Canadian Nationals for 113 was a huge train. The numbers on it are 5,586, 5,062, and 5,104.
Okay, let's go.
"413 speeds passed at 59 miles per hour. Via 4 is leaves Hinton the last stop.
Oh my God!
413 and 4 are on the same track.
Oh my God!
It was too late. The two trains collided at 125 miles per hour. 23 died and 71 suffered minor injuries.